Hello everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. So I got a craving today for a Southern classic, bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwiches. So let's get our ingredients together so we can cook up some BLTs. Before we continue, I publish new videos every Tuesday, so remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also enable notifications and you'll be the first to know when new videos are published. So now, for our BLTs, we're going to need the following. We're going to need bacon, lettuce, tomato, mayo, and I am using a soft Kaiser roll, but if you prefer, you can use bread or a soft roll of your choice. So let's get into the kitchen and get these started. Alright, so we're going to need to cook our bacon. So I've got a pound of thick cut bacon, and what I like to do, I like to cook mine in the oven. So we're going to take the bacon and spread it out on a foil lined pan, because foil makes things so much easier to clean up. And I'm using thick cut bacon. Make sure we got enough room. Move stuff over. There we go, we should be good to go now. And if you don't have a big enough pan, you can always cook these in batches. And that looks like what I may have to do. I can't get them all on one sheet. I think it should be okay. I'm going to overlap them just a bit. Make sure I can get them all in one pan. Ooh, let me get two overlap there. There we go. Come on. Alright, so we've got these all on our pan. So this is going to go into a 400-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes till it's all crisp. So let's get this in the oven. So now let's get our vegetables prepared. So I've got my mandolin slicer, and I've got this set at about 1/4 of an inch. Because that's what we're going to slice up our tomatoes at. There we go. And you need to always be careful with this thing, because otherwise you can easily slice open a finger, which I have done several times. So we've got our tomatoes sliced up here. We're going to set these over to the side. Get this out of the way. And then we're going to get us some nice leaves of lettuce here. And you generally want to tear these into about sandwich size. I generally like to take the hard end off of them. Let me set this right here. Just give us another couple of leaves. There we go. Off. And that should be enough for us to have a couple of sandwiches. So now we're just waiting on our bacon to finish cooking, and once that's done, we're going to start building our sandwiches. Alright, so our bacon is done, and I've got my Kaiser roll and I've toasted it up. So what we're going to do is we are going to add us some mayo on both the top and the bottom. Alright, so now we are going to get us a good helping of bacon, and I've broken my bacon in half. We got one more piece, and then we're going to get us some lettuce and a couple of tomatoes. And then we're going to add us just a bit of fresh cracked black pepper. And there we are. Now we have a nice lunch. So I hope everyone enjoyed the video. Remember, new videos are posted every Tuesday. Remember, be nice, be kind, because you could make someone's day. And so until next time, enjoy cooking in the kitchen.